Welcome. Welcome to day 6 of Elimination Week. Now, I'm going to shake things up. I'm going to start talking about where am I in this trading competition and how my trading day went yesterday. Yesterday, I was anticipating a day that it will be choppy, that it will be difficult to trade, as you can see here. So we opened the weekly candle. We opened the weekly candle inside the previous candle. So the thing that I was expecting the most, at least, is a bearish movement towards here. But I know that that will take time. And as we have so many fair value gaps and so many different areas in between price action, I knew or expect the market to pull back at some point, even when maybe a rejection will be possible, but I was expecting the market to go over those type of price action. So take into consideration that it has taken less time to rise in price than to drop. So I say don't marry bearish bias. My lower time frame are choppy due to bearish fair value gaps. So trade with caution and be aware of overtrading these conditions. Let others take the fall. What does that mean? That means that on price action like yesterday, I will expect more traders, especially the ones that are upfront, to try and overtrade. Don't follow their edge, so I can catch them up and get inside the top 400 or top 200. So how were my trades? I took the breakout when I saw the clear signal to go up. I took another trade inside the what I call the barbed wire candlestick range strategy. But where did I fail? I have been caught. If you have seen the latest post, the latest videos, I have been caught in these false breakout trades for a couple of weeks. And I know they are invalid because from the 15-minute chart, you can see that when price is still inside an area like this one that has a 15-minute fair value gap, is inside a 1 hour fair value gap, it has barely get out of the 4-hour fair value gap, but still haven't reacted properly to it, because I can expect that this could take out traders in some kind of fake out. I'm then looking for choppy conditions, and I will look more even for breakouts to the downside than to the upside. Why? Because you can see that there are more traders, especially with this solid bearish close, that will be caught up on this kind of price action, looking to long when we were under clear bearish conditions. This is a completely different setup. This is something that is not something you can expect to happen most of the time. So I would prefer to look for the short setup that I look for it, but I was afraid because of these invalid losses. And I have the tendency or the behavior or pattern, whatever you want to call it, to journal how much does it cost me, my bad decisions, in order to improve and in order to avoid being caught in the same kind of bad patterns in the next day. Bad loss here, 188 loss here. I took a small loss. It was a win. It's a break-even trade. Small loss of $18, but it was a $480 that I missed here. I took a $329 loss in here, and expecting that price action will take out London lows. I missed 1.3k in this trade that I should have hold, especially taking into account that I scale in later here with 60 points. So that would have put me on the 58 to 59k range. Right now, I'm at 547 in the rankings. Last night, I was in 603. So as you see, I have let 50 traders take the fall for me, and I will continue to use the same risk. I'm going to just slowly increase it by $100 at most today in order to try and get inside the top 200 that is right now at a 14k bottom. Now, how has it go for the rest of the traders? The bottom 200, if you still are trading your edge, you're trading your strategy, and you are still following risk management, have faith. We saw, and this is only from this 20 on the bottom, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 traders were eliminated. That is 5 steps closer for you. Also, 1, 2, 3 traders, almost 40% of the bottom 20 in the top 200 got out. So have faith on your strategy, have faith in your edge. That is all that I'm going to say. Have faith in your edge. So if we take a look at the top 200, like the top 20, we're going to see even more surprising things. We saw that 2 traders that had 55 and 52, like 107k in losses from the top 20. We saw also 3 traders, Sleshta, Brian Babylon, and No Degree, dropped from the top 20. They are still inside the top 200. But if we make just from the top 20 and the top 200, if we make the numbers, there are 7 traders eliminated. So you're 7 steps closer to the top 20. We got only 3 new traders getting inside here. So this is going to be a crazy week. I'm really enjoying it. I had fear today at the start of, like, just when I was preparing for my trading session, because yesterday I was making the plans on how I'm going to scale. I got the funded account yesterday, just copying the trades from the competition. I'm going to be sending my trades from the funded account to the competition account. But I was planning how I'm going to keep up with risk. Do I need to raise my risk double of what I'm using just to get inside here? My strategy, just increase it slightly. I'm going to get there, God willing. If not, I'm going to get out, not with the blown account, with a safe stats on my TradeZilla, with possibly a withdrawal on my funded account, God willing, and discipline. And that's all I have to do. I just have to stick to my edge, stick to my discipline, stick what I teach to my mentees in the Funded Trader program, alongside Rodrigo and our team, detach from the outcome. So this is day 6, elimination week recap. I filmed this video on Tuesday, so maybe later today or earlier tomorrow, God willing, if I have life, I will record you the video of how did it went on day 7 of elimination week. Trade safe. Have a nice week.